Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back down to the Craftworks. Hope you're well, hope you're having a nice weekend. So today's video is another bit of leather work. I've done a leather scabbard before for a cookery, but I'm doing some scabbards for these. This is a dro scimitar, or dro short sword should I say, recently finished on my Twitch channel. There are two of these, but this one is currently in a leather scabbard that I'm building. So the reason I'm doing this one is because it's an open top scabbard, okay, which is quite an unusual one, because a lot of people are saying, how can you make a scabbard when you've got this high ridge? This part is obviously thicker than the rest of this, so the scabbards are quite a pain. So that's why I thought I'll do a video on this, and we will show you how I've got up to this point. So this will be part one, and then part two I'll show you the rest. So yes, I hope you will join me, and if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and the bell button. Be alerted when I go live with new stuff. If you've got anything particular you want me to try and make on stream for you, then please put a comment below, and we'll try and get to it as soon as we can. Other than that, let's jump straight into it. Once we've cut our leather out to the desired size and shape, I've put two pieces of black felt on the inside, because the inside of the leather is quite rough and could scrape eventually against the blade. This will prevent any damage. Next, using this engraving tool, we're going to put a small little engravement trench down the edges of where I'm going to be sewing. This is where we're going to be putting our stamps. When it comes to stamping, I make sure my first one goes through both pieces of leather. This makes sure that they're both lined up, so then I can separate the pieces of leather and stamp them individually. With our two pieces of leather now stamped up identical, we can start stitching them together. We could use either a saddle stitch, or we can use a single back stitch. For this one I'm just using a back stitch, but I'll go through it twice and it will make it look like a saddle stitch. Now the top piece is done, we've got it nice and attached and fit firmly, we can start by doing the bottom. Again, use that engraving tool, take out the little trench so we can start stamping it up. Once the engraving's done, we can start stamping. Try and get the first one to go through the both of them so they're nice and identical, and then we can stamp them individually. Once we've stamped through both sides, I use this little wedge that I push through the holes just to make sure the holes are a little bit wider, ready for me to sew. Now we're back onto sewing, this time on the bottom. So make sure you take your time, go through it, either saddle stitch or back stitch. Again, I'm doing a back stitch. I'll go down one way and then back up the other, and it'll leave you the effect of a saddle stitch. Sewing leather can be very tiring and hard on the hands, so take regular breaks, don't damage your hands, and if you need to, use a pair of pliers like I am. Once we've got all the sewing done, it's time to go on to wet forming. So this is the sword I'm going to be putting inside, so I'm just covering it in a plastic bag. Even though it's protected and waterproof, I just don't want water resting on it overnight. With our weapon inside and as tight as we can get it, we start wet forming the leather. Just soak the outside with clean water, just keep soaking it, and then when you've got it as tight as you can, start taping it up and holding its shape. Once you've got it all tightened up and nice and tight, just keep soaking it, only on the outside, just keep giving it a bit of gentle water and it'll eventually settle into its shape. Okay guys, that's it for this one. I hope it's useful to you. So yeah, this one will now dry overnight. I may even soak it again tomorrow. Part 2, we will trim all around here and add the top pieces onto it and the frog, and then dye it all up, and then this one will be ready, and then we've just got to build the other one. So yes, if you're new here, please hit that subscribe and the bell button. You'll be alerted whenever I go live with new stuff. If you want to check out the other things I've done or my Etsy store, all the links will be in the description below. And if you want me to build something in particular, then please get in touch or join us on the Twitch on a Wednesday to Friday. Okay guys, so yeah, I shall see you in the next one. Cheers folks.